A mounting number of road fatalities for the holiday season is again prompting calls for caution on the roads. Speeding, carelessness, and poor road conditions are being blamed for 2 crashes and 2 deaths in St. Elizabeth and St. Mary in the last 2 days. The Christmas and New Year holiday period is a concern not only for the JCF's traffic division, but also the health sector and the National Road Safety Council NRSC. That's because, for varying reasons, road fatalities tend to increase at this time. Vice Chairman of the Council, Dr. Lucent Jones, says this year is no different, as 12 persons have died on the nation's road for December alone.
We had hoped that with the COVID-19 lockdown, we would have had less crashes this year. We have less, but not much less. So far for this year, 406 people have died on our roads. When compared to last year at this time, 427, we're doing better. In fact, much better. But over 400 people died as a disaster for any year at any time.
The most recent death is 32-year-old Kimo Williams of a Kingston 3 address. That crash happened in the IT borough area of St. Mary. The cops believe speeding is the main contributor to the crash. However, reports indicate that the road condition may also have contributed to this Toyota Mark X colliding with a Honda Civic which was traveling in the opposite direction.
The Mark X motor vehicle that was traveling towards Anata Bay swerved, hit the pothole and swerved to the right of the road, causing a collision with the Honda Civic motor car.
Just the condition of the road caused that accident. The government need to fix the pothole right there, because whenever the pothole, the other one would skip out of the pothole and meet the other man.
2 other persons who were in the vehicle are being treated for serious injuries at hospital. Another crash along the Burton Main Road in St. Elizabeth resulted in the death of 23-year-old Orain Dixon, a vendor of burnt savannah in St. Elizabeth. Sometime after midday, Dixon was driving his motorcycle when he collided with a Toyota RAV4. Mr. Dixon was pronounced dead at the Black River Hospital. The crashes have triggered renewed words of caution for all road users.
The accident is said to be as a result of speeding, so I am imploring motorists, especially at this time of the year, to cut their speed while traveling along this thoroughfare.
When you are riding a motorcycle, please wear your helmet. It will save your life. It will protect you if you crash and hit your head. You don't have to die. You can save yourself simply by wearing a helmet.
Every December, these roads are haunted, so you got to be careful. IT Borough, St. Mary, got to be careful.